Today, I want to be smoking some right bacon the right way. And it says it's smoked on the package. They all say that, but it ain't true. They just add smoke flavor. So, this is the bacon you need. This one right here. Right, Applewood smoke. Not hickory, not double smoke, Applewood. I've used all different kinds of bacon, all different kinds of thick cut. I've gotten it from my local butcher. I've gotten it from the deli at Fresh Time. I've tried just about everything. But this is the stuff you need. Right. This bacon will be the hit at any event you take it to, especially Thanksgiving and Christmas. Ain't nobody want turkey. They want bacon. They want smoked, juicy, sweet, succulent bacon. This is it. This is the recipe. Heat up your pellet smoker to 260 degrees. I use Bear Mountain Applewood pellets. None of it really matters. Pellet smokers don't really create that much smoke. I use the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro. All pellet smokers below $3,000 really are the same, and they all suck. But I like this one because it has this pull-out tray where you can actually put real chunks of wood in there, so you can get a real wood flavor.